Good morning, everyone. I'm hoping that you are starting your new year out strong and going to plan on having some fun this year and making some art. I have a challenge for you for January 2019. And that's why all of these little tins are out. I have a mixed media altered tin challenge for you. I have no real guidelines. I want you to do what you want to do with it. There are many. This is one I've always used to carry little beading projects in. That's why my little fuzzy's in there. Most of these are empty, I'm pretty sure. Oh, nope, there's another one with a little. Sometimes I just keep them ready to go. But I want you to decorate one of these, alter it in some way. It can be one of the regular size Altoid tins. If you want to do one of these itty bitty tins, that works. I'm totally open to whatever you want to do. This one is, it's a top down one. It's Mentos. This one, I've always thought it was really cute, but it's got different thing in the top of it. I'm going to have to see if I can ever get that out. I might be able to pull it out to alter it. Anyways, I am going to be doing a couple of these tins this month. That is my plan anyways. This is one that came with tea in it. So, the challenge is to decorate and alter some sort of little tiny metal tin between now and the end of January. Now that gives you, 30 days to do it. I do have some suggestions. One is that no matter what you do, whether you're trying to put paper over it, whether you're trying to glue to it, that you get some fine sandpaper. It does not need to be this fine, but sand it enough so that you take off the shiny. Let me see if I can see how that it just takes off the shiny. It will allow paint, gesso, whatever to adhere to the can a whole lot better. If you're putting napkins over it or something like that, you don't really have to sand off the design or the paint. You just need to get it down to where it's not shiny. That is the one suggestion I can give you. Other than that, I want you to roll with it. I want you to have fun. I want to see how many different things we can come up with. Now, if you make videos, I would really like you to message me with a link to your video of your altering your tin. The reason being for that is I would like to make a playlist for other people to see what you're doing for the challenge. So if you're making videos, please send me a message and a link to your video. If you don't make videos, that's fine. This is my Facebook group. It's called This, That, and Chat Journals, Mixed Media, and More. And I would love it if you would join the group if you haven't already and post a picture of your altered tin. I'm going to make an album with all of the altered tins and all of the January challenge. There are really no rules to this challenge other than I'd like you to make it in January. Now, that being said, I can't always get my challenges done on time. So, this is about having fun. So I hope that you will join me in this mixed media sort of thing and have fun altering a tin, doing what you want to do with it. It's totally up to you. Have fun. Enjoy yourselves. Now then, let's read ourselves a creativity quote for today. This is from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. Creative work is not a selfish act or a bid for attention on the part of the actor. It's a gift to the world and every being in it. Don't cheat us of your contribution. Give us what you've got. Stephen Pressfield. Okay, guys, go have fun. Bye-bye.